The humble ant's brain, smaller than a poppy seed, navigates a complex world with astounding intelligence. This microscopic marvel, composed of just 1 million neurons, orchestrates elaborate societal structures. For millions of years, these tiny titans have evolved sophisticated communication and problem-solving skills. Understanding their world reveals fundamental principles of evolution playing out on a grand scale. Why should we care about an insect's brain? Because it holds clues to intelligence itself. It demonstrates how complexity can arise from simple building blocks through gradual change. These ancient creatures offer a living laboratory for studying adaptation and survival. Imagine a bustling ant colony as a single, intelligent superorganism, working in perfect harmony. Each ant plays a specific role, from foraging for food to defending the nest. They communicate using intricate chemical signals called pheromones, like a complex scent-based language. A scout ant finds food and leaves a pheromone trail, guiding others directly to the source. But that's not the strangest part. Their collective decision-making can outperform individual intelligence. Scientists have observed colonies choosing the shortest path to food sources, even without a single leader. This emergent intelligence arises from simple rules followed by many individuals interacting. It's like a decentralized computer network processing information collectively. Consider their incredible navigation abilities, using polarized light and the Earth's magnetic field. Their compound eyes are masterpieces of natural engineering, processing visual information rapidly. Some species have even evolved specialized majordomo ants that manage colony tasks. Wait until you hear what comes next. Their remarkable resilience in extreme environments. Ants can survive crushing pressures, searing heat, and even periods of complete submersion in water. This adaptability showcases the power of natural selection, shaping life over eons. Their exoskeletons are incredibly strong, protecting them from physical harm.
Some ants can lift objects 50 times their own body weight, a feat of biological engineering.
This strength is crucial for tasks like moving food and excavating complex underground nests. And then something unexpected happened. Their social behaviors can mimic complex human systems. Ants have been observed farming fungi, herding aphids for their sugary secretions, and even engaging in warfare. These behaviors are not learned. They are hardwired through generations of evolutionary refinement. Farming fungi ensures a consistent food supply, a sophisticated strategy for survival. Herding aphids is a remarkable example of interspecies cooperation for mutual benefit. Their intricate tunnels and chambers provide protection and regulate temperature for the colony.
The sheer diversity of ant species, over 15,000 known, highlights evolutionary divergence.
Each species has unique adaptations suited to its specific niche and challenges. Some desert ants can travel incredible distances, outperforming even the fastest mammals. Their ability to thrive in nearly every terrestrial habitat is a testament to evolutionary success. This widespread dominance suggests a highly effective evolutionary blueprint. The impact of these tiny creatures on ecosystems is profoundly significant. They are master decomposers, recycling nutrients back into the soil for plant growth. Ants also serve as a vital food source for countless other animals, forming a crucial link in food webs. Their constant soil disturbance aerates the ground, improving water infiltration and plant health. The evolutionary journey of the ant is a story of relentless adaptation and innovation. It shows how life finds a way, even with the smallest of brains. The principles observed in ant colonies can inform our understanding of distributed systems. Their success offers lessons in cooperation, efficiency, and resilience for any complex organization. Studying their evolution helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth. It underscores the power of natural selection to create astonishingly complex solutions. This intricate world of ants, often overlooked, is a testament to life's enduring ingenuity. If you found this microscopic world fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Let us know in the comments what other tiny wonders you'd like us to explore. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.